What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. We're just gonna call these House of Hilfiger videos from here on out. Right now, we are in my new home. This is my very first video in my new house. I'm super excited. I'm not sharing too much yet of the renovation process just yet, but stay tuned for that. I have a lot going on and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I'm hoping there's not too much of an echo in this room, but right now we're in my family room and this is the only room that I have like the closest to being completed. I'm tearing right now because I have sinuses. So bad. Literally, my eye has been swollen for the past like week and it's been obnoxious AF. But here we are. I'm making this video because I got something Tommy Hilfiger in the mail and this is something I saw online. I absolutely need it. So summer 2022 is coming up, guys, and I need to pick up the pace. I saw this and a few things that really inspired my whole look for the summer. Yes, we are still going for a Y2K early 2000s look. You guys, I love the early 2000s, so I'm gonna milk this trend as much as I possibly can.
The early 2000s were the hottest years in fashion history, but you already knew that.
And of course, I have a few pieces I'm gonna share with you today. One here, another that I picked up at Marshall's, I believe. Yeah, Marshall's, like TJ Maxx, Marshall's. Marshall's, that is Tommy Hilfiger. That is like great with this whole lookbook that I'm putting together. So if you're interested in seeing some new pieces I picked up Tommy Hilfiger related, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I'm also probably sounding very raspy and congested in this video, and that's just a whole sinus situation that's going on here. But I've just been kind of going through the gigs, guys. I got a new house. My job is requiring me to be in office full time. So like basically my whole work and life daily environments have changed and I've been going through the gigs. So that's why there's not much content on my YouTube channel. I have still been posting on my Instagram page, which I'll link down below, at the House of Hilfiger, as well as TikTok, because those are just so much more simple platforms to create on. You don't have to like sit down and really edit anything. Like YouTube it's a process, guys. So if I'm posting a YouTube video, there's time, effort, and energy put into it. And that's why your like, your thumbs up really go a long way. So please do not forget that. Today though, deal with this raspy voice, deal with this low hand, this lead low moment.
Rule.
And let's check out some Tommy Hilfiger pieces. So this is something that I kind of felt like I needed because I questioned last year whether or not I want to pull off something of this nature. And I didn't quite go this far with the look that I was going for. So last year I wore bandanas, regular basic bandanas. I was looking for Tommy Hilfiger ones and I could not find any, but I did on the other hand find silk scarves. So that's what we got in this moment right here. Now the color is freaking beautiful, but there was so many more options available on the UK Tommy Hilfiger site, and this is what was available on the US. I'm not mad though because oh my goodness, this is freaking beautiful. This like beige color, this tan is kind of everything. The pink moment, you know what? I'm not mad about pink. I'm really not mad about pink, so cool. So this is a Tommy Hilfiger silk scarf. I got it for 30% off because there was some type of promotion going on. So initially this was a little pricey. Again, it's silk, so you can't be mad at that. And of course it's Tommy Hilfiger, so we're getting quality. But oh my goodness. So this is the tag. I like to show off the tags. This is unique. This is definitely a different Tommy Hilfiger tag than most. This is the tag on the actual product. So it does have a description there and it does say made in Italy. So this is an Italian made Tommy Hilfiger product. We love that. That is kind of really cool. Anything that's like from Italy to me always just seems so much more glamorous, luxurious, and just fashion. You know? There's a whole description here on the fabric and oh my gosh, there's like literally pages. So I don't know what is going on there. It's like in every single language, so. Okay. Yeah, anywho, let's open it up. Yes, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful piece. I forgot how much I paid for this, but I'll put it on the screen. I believe this is like a $40 product and it's not that big. I mean, this is kind of on the average size, but I'm going to be wearing this piece like a bandana. Actually, this pretty much is a bandana, but it's silk. So I don't want to get self-tanner on this because I'm wearing self-tanner. If you can't tell, thank you. But I am, because guess what? I'm white AF, and 'tis the season of looking like you have a little bit of color and you're not dead. I can get really pale, so that's why I self-tan. Anyway, I don't need to explain myself. I don't owe that to anyone. Let's try this on. Let's see how this looks. I don't have a camera in front of me, like a mirror or anything, so let's just see. So this is how I plan on wearing it. Pretty much, oh my god, the mess. Something of this nature. I mean, let me just tie it. Let me see if that helps the imagination. Okay, so this is kind of the vibe that we're going for. It's definitely gonna take me a little bit of practice to get this to like sit the way that I want it to. Honestly, the whole shape and size of this bandana, this scarf, is a little bit smaller. A little smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I probably should look at the measurements if they're online, but I didn't. This is what it looks like from the side. Obviously, like with the right color concept of an outfit, this is gonna look sick. This is gonna look very Y2K. I got this from the women's section online. So I'm not basic. I shop from both sections, guys, because guess what? I'm fun and fluid. So hey, yeah, this is the look. I like it. I'm definitely going to need to work on this whole concept. Next thing though, I'm gonna share with you, I'm gonna take her off, because guess what, guys? Like I said, I don't want to stain out my self-tanner, so when I do wear this piece, I'm gonna have to really be careful with like oil production and self-tanning and all that stuff, because it's silk and I don't want to ruin it. It was expensive.
How does my hair look?
The next piece, you guys, I share this on the House of Hilfiger Instagram page. If you're not following, give it a follow. Again, it's linked down below. It's all dedicated to Hilfiger content from me, by me, to you, and for you. You're welcome. I got these pair of Tommy Hilfiger sunnies. So check these glasses out. Oh my god. So they're very branded. There's Hilfiger, it says right there in the corner. It does say Tommy Hilfiger on the inside. If you could make that out right there, you probably can, because the focus might be weird, but they're very cool. This has like a bluish green hint. It is plastic, so they don't feel the most luxurious, but hey, I got them for $12.99. These were $12.99 at the Marshalls. So these are the only pair left. There was a challenge because when I got them, they had clear earpieces right here, and there was only one. So it was only one earpiece that was clear on it. The other one was just completely missing. I didn't catch it until I walked out the store. I did, on the other hand, scope out another local Marshalls, and there was none. I also checked out TJ Maxx, 2 of them, and I couldn't find these at any of those. So I dealt with it. I walked into my local Dollar Tree and bought a $1 pair of sunglasses, took the earpieces off. That's why they're black. And to be honest with you, it kind of makes them look even more expensive, the fact that they're black on the end. A little more sleek, a little bit more masculine too, which doesn't matter, but hey. So I freaking love these, $12.99. They look super expensive. They feel good. I'm embodying the Y2K style, and I'm obsessed. So do not underestimate TJ Maxx, Marshalls, department stores, anything like that outside of the actual Tommy Hilfiger store to find unique Tommy Hilfiger pieces. In all honesty, that's where I probably find some of the most unique pieces, aside from stuff like this, but I'm obsessed, guys. These are some of my newest Tommy Hilfiger pieces that I recently picked up. Hopefully these inspired you to kick off your summer 22 looks, and there's a lot more things I want to share with you guys. I also have a very cool moment that recently happened, Tommy Hilfiger related, that hopefully I can share with you sooner rather than later. And till then, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love your company. And do not forget to click the notification bell. That's going to basically notify you whenever I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch, click the bell. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.